Assalamualaikum and greetings. I'm Nur Saadah binti Muhammad Hisam from Polytechnic Sultan Salahuddin Abdul Aziz Shah would like to present my research titled The Quality Satisfaction Level Among Health Insurance Policy Holder, a comparative study between claimant and non-claimant. Before we go deep in my research, I would like to highlight the statistic of National Health and Mobility Survey held by Ministry of Health 2019 report that only 22% of the population are insured with personal health insurance, while 35.9% of the Malaysian population were deemed not necessary for health insurance as the reason for them to not owning any personal health insurance. So why we need health insurance? We aware that health become major concern with skyrocketing medical costs that keep increasing over the time. This health insurance insure us against cover illness and guarantee us to be financially secure if we ever need medical treatment later on. The study on customer satisfaction always become attention among researchers to identify what could affect customer purchase intention. Why? Because usually the customer relies on extrinsic values such as company reputation to ascertain and perceive their satisfaction on service quality, which is this company reputation only a minor intangible representation of the company product or service quality. And as we know that in insurance, the outcome of the product is not always immediate, in which does not lead to quick customer satisfaction. Besides, customer satisfaction and demand are changing across different time and situation. So for this research, I would like to identify customer satisfaction level in service quality focused in health insurance among policyholder, which then I compare the customer satisfaction level in service quality between claimant and non-claimant. So what is satisfaction? Satisfaction is defined as a feeling either pleasure or disappointment which resulting from comparing a product performance with their expectation. Gundros 1984 state that there were two primary dimensions in service quality, namely technical quality and functional quality. The same goes to the Dwodu and Amangkwa 2012 outline the determinant of the customer satisfaction include functional quality, technical quality, and add on to reputational quality and price. Technical quality refer to the actual outcome received from the service, while functional quality refer to the way in which service is being delivered. In insurance context, technical quality can be referred to the future coverage provided on purchase policy, while functional quality may refer to the process in which begin with dealing with a proposal quotation until the claim of covered situation approved and delivered. So now we look at research methodology. Okay, I distribute online questionnaire which adapted from Dwodu and Amangkwa 2012. In this instrument, I divide into two sections, which is demographic and construct. For reliability, using Chromebook Alpha show that functional quality and technical quality both has high internal consistency, which is above than 0.7. So for this research, I got 357 respondents. The data then were analyzed using descriptive analysis and independent t-test. And then the mean score are interpreted according to Azila et al. 2017 as shown below. So this is the demographic profile of my research. As we can see, for female and male gender, we can see they are almost similar in percentage, while in age, most of my respondents is between age of 41 until 45, which is 28.2%, and most of them are government servant or private sector employee, which is 36.8 and 37.4% respectively. As for monthly income, we can see that most of my respondents have higher salary than 4,000, which is we can group them into the M40 or T20 group. So number of insurance company policy purchased by the respondent, most of them tends to be lower, which is 62.6% of them only purchase insurance policy from one company. So this is the most important part. I asked whether the respondent have made a claim before. Yes, most of them, 73.4%, have made claim before. And I also asked whether they have intention to purchase more than one health insurance. And most of them said yes. As for descriptive analysis, we can see here that the mean score for the claimant is higher than mean score for non-claimant for each item in the functional quality construct. The same goes to the technical quality construct. We can see also the claimant have higher mean score compared to the non-claimant. Now, as we can see the difference in average mean score between functional and technical quality, the question are they equally significant? So, we look at independent t-test. Before that, first we check the Levin test to determine whether variance of these two groups is similar or not, because the number of respondents between two groups quite different. The Levin test will show that p-value range between 1.5 until 2.5 means that the variance between two groups is similar. So when we look at the t-test for equality of mean table, we will assume equal variance. So as p-value for both quality satisfaction are less than 0.05 on significant, so there is significant difference between two qualities satisfaction level between claimant and non-claimant. As for my conclusion, the insurance company should broadly market and frequently conduct talk and sharing on health insurance in easy way to understand. Why? Because the policy holder who understand better about their policy would have higher satisfaction level as they aware on the permissible and impermissible. Insurance company to make further improvement and use various marketing strategies such as implement affiliate system as side job opportunity or use current technology to improve the delivery of service. As for limitation and recommendation, I would like suggest for future research to extend the research for more respondents to whole Malaysian region and not only focus to certain area in order to reduce the variance of response among people in different demographic. I also suggest future research to examine independent variables that might influence satisfaction level on service quality in health insurance. And if possible, conduct the survey face-to-face to reduce misunderstanding among the respondents. Why? Because not all people know the insurance term. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you for lending your ears.